So welcome back everyone. In this video we will be finding out the sum of n natural number in two methods. All right. So first method in the first method we will be using the formula, that is n into n plus 1 by 2, and in the second method we will be using the for loop to calculate the sum of n natural numbers, and we will be taking up the value of n, that is the n natural number, that is n, that is the value of n from the user. So in order to accept that number we will use the scanf function, and from where that scanf function will come up, that scanf function will come up from stdio.h library, and that's the reason we have included up that library with the help of preprocessor, that is hashtag include. And we have also defined up the main function, because the execution of the C program starts from the main function onwards, and we have given up the return type as void because our main function is not going to return any value. Now we will define a variable in which we will store the number which the user is going to give us, that is basically the value of n. So let's define the variable, and the value which the user is going to give us will be in numeric form. So we will be defining our variable with data type int. All right, so int, give the variable name as n. Basically we are taking the input for n only, so I'm giving the name of the variable as n. Now we will give the message to the user with the help of printf function of stdio.h library to give us the value of n. So we will give the message, please enter the value of n, and we will use a special character, that is /n out here. What this /n will do for us is that after printing this line, that is print please enter the value of n, on the output screen the cursor will move to the next line. All right, so let me do the commenting of it, that is /n is for new line. Okay, now once the user is going to give us the number, we will have to accept it with the help of scanf function. So let's use the scanf function of stdio.h %d, that is the format specifier, and we will store the number in n variable. Okay, now once what we have done so far is that we have given the message to the user to give us the value of n, and we have also stored the value which the user has given up by saying this message, and we have stored that number in variable n. Now we will use the formula, that is n into n plus 1 by 2, to calculate the sum of n natural number, that is from 1 to this n. All right, so let's do it. So int sum is equal to, let me just copy paste this. Okay, and what this will do for us is that this will calculate the sum of n natural number, that is from 1 to n, and will store this value in this variable sum. So we will have to print this value. So with the help of printf function of stdio.h we will print that value. So resultant sum is equal to, sum is %d, and we will replace this %d with the value of sum. All right, okay, so let's watch the output of this program. All right, so before so we will have to compile this, but before compiling let's save this. All right, so make sure to save this file as .c extension, because we all are writing C program. All right, and give the name, make sure you can give any name out here, but make sure to give mnemonics, that is meaningful name. All right, now let's compile it. So enter the value of n, so 5. So the resultant sum is 15. Let's do it manually, like 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 9, 9 plus 4 13, and 13 plus 5, it's wrong buddy, it should have come approximately 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 12. Okay, it's right, it's perfect, right? Okay, so now we have calculated up the sum of 5 natural numbers, that is from 1 to 5. Now we will calculate the sum with the help of for loop. So let's do it with the help of for loop. So in the for loop, we will have to iterate through each numbers, and we will add each number to a variable, that is a sum. All right, so first of all, we will have to define some variables. For iteration, we will be using a variable I, and we will be storing up the sum value in variable, that is sum for. All right, basically I'm just going to differentiate this sum and this sum. This sum is for sum for, because we are going to use this variable inside for loop. And let's iterate. All right, so we'll be starting from 1, and we will go till n. All right, we will start from 1 and we will go till the number. All right, so I plus plus, and we will store this we will store the sum value in this sum variable, that is plus is equal to I. But before that, let's assign the value 0 to this. All right, because if you will not assign 0 to it, this will hold some garbage value, and this will give you an uncertain value. This will not give you the exact result which you might be thinking of. Now once this for loop will iterate till n, you will get your sum stored in this variable, that is sum for. And in order to watch this, we will have to print this. So use the printf function of stdio.h to print this. So resultant sum is equal to percentage d, and we will be replacing this percentage d with sum for. All right, so okay, now how we will differentiate that this is for loop. So before that, write for loop. Okay, for loop, and this is, give the name formula. Okay, so that you will be able to differentiate this. Now let's compile in order to watch the output of this. So run. Okay, no, this will not store this. Yeah, so now enter the value of n. So give the value 5. Okay, so the formula resultant is 15, and from for loop also the resultant is 15. Let me use the slash n. That is what this will do. This will change the line. I think the idea for slash n is clear. This will what this will do is that after printing this line, the cursor will move to the next line, such that if there is another line which to be printed after this line, then that line will print in next line, not after this line. Let me show you this. Like right now we are getting this both this line on the same line. All right, both this statement on the same line. But after using this slash n, the for loop, yeah, from here to here, this will print on the next line. So let me show you this. Compile and run. So enter the value of n. Let's enter 10. So formula resultant sum is 55, and from for loop resultant sum is 55. So if you know the formula, you can calculate this, that is the sum of n natural number, in just one line. And if you don't know the formula, you can use for loop for calculating this sum. All right, so both way is a easy way, but yeah, if you it's up to you. It's up to you which way you wanted to do. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and comment if you have any type of doubt, and subscribe to my channel for this type of content. Thank you once again for watching this video.